For number 7, it is pretty much the same thing, except that we have something longer. It's very important that you are really diligent on the factoring. Now, here's the thing I want to say. I hope you get to catch this part of the audio. I've seen some students, they just write down this part right here next to it here. I would strongly advise against it. And the reason why I would advise against it is because it could make the picture really difficult to read. And that's just going to hurt yourself in the long term. Like when you're trying to read what to cancel out. Now you have a bunch of things that are affiliated, but they are not really affiliated, and you just have a hard time analyzing what you're writing. So I would just suggest you to write this out, okay? Let's write this out so that you can see things better. This is 5, this is 2, and then we are going to go ahead and factor everything out. Okay, and make sure you can see it. Make sure you cross-check yourself. And again, this is the reason why I've been writing these equal signs on the left. X plus 5, x minus 3 with the numerator. And then x minus 7, x plus 1 will be the denominator. X minus 7, x plus 2 will be the numerator here. And the way I know these are the correct factors, because whenever I write them, I'm also doing the FOIL. I'm multiplying the outside and inside, and I'm seeing how that would equal to the middle term. So you might hear me saying, "Oh, wow, you can just get the factors so quickly." Yes, because while I was writing, I was also thinking. Okay, and then now we are going to cancel out some terms and make sure that you only cancel out the terms that look exactly the same. Okay, and of course, that will require you factoring very properly. And that will be the answer. Okay, so whatever that's left, that is the answer. Nothing else, right? Yeah, nothing else. So that will be it. I've seen students, they try to factor without getting out of 2, without getting out of 5, without factoring out the 4. You know, just a pain in the butt. Okay, just a pain in the butt if you don't factor it first. So that's one thing that I learned when I was in high school, is that you always factor. You always factor the very first moment that you see something being factorable. That would always help you out big time.